Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create backgrounds in Affinity Designer. This is a fundamental skill that will help you build professional-looking designs with custom backdrops for any project you're working on. Let's jump right in and get this sorted out. First things first, you'll need to launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens up, you can either work with an existing file or create a new one. Either option works perfectly fine for what we're about to do, so just go with whatever suits your current project needs. Now let's set up the background area. Look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various tools. Click on the Artboard tool. This is what allows you to define specific areas within your canvas. After clicking it, simply drag it across your canvas to create the artboard space. This step is important because the artboard acts as the foundation where your background will sit, giving you a defined workspace to design within. Next, you'll want to make sure the artboard is properly selected. Head over to the right panel and click on the artboard you just created. Selecting it ensures that any changes you make will apply directly to this specific artboard rather than any other elements you might have in your design. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted or outlined in the panel. Now comes the fun part, adding color to your background. Navigate to the upper right area of your screen where you'll find the color option. Click on it and you'll be presented with a color picker. This tool gives you complete freedom to choose any color you want for your background. Whether you're going for something bold and vibrant or subtle and professional, the color picker lets you dial in the exact shade you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a background in Affinity Designer by setting up an artboard and applying color to it. This simple process forms the basis for countless design possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.